Hello everyone, my name is Xiazhen Shen, and today I'm going to talk about career in data analytic financial service. Data analysts generally refer to professionals in different industries who specialize in industry data collection, data sorting, data analysis, industrial research, evaluation, and forecasting, which are based on the data. Today we are talking about data analysts. In financial service, their job is to collect data and conduct inspection to discover trends and collect information that can be used to make business decisions. In the information age, companies rely on big data more than ever to make decisions such as which customers to target, which product and service to focus on, which advertising method to use, how many people to hire, which position to hold and establish new market, etc. For almost any business decision, data can be used to guide the company in the right direction. So with more and more companies, more and more talents in this area will be needed in the future. Today I'll be talking in these 5 points. What skills does a financial service data analytic need? 9 jobs require data analysis in financial service. Average salary in those jobs. Global overview. Top industries and top locations. Career path of a data analyst in the financial service. After listening to this speech, you will at least have a general understanding of what data analysts in financial service is. What skills does a financial service data analytic need? First of all is logical thinking. People need to understand the correlation between the analysis objects and each indicator. Second is communication skills. People need to understand the business, find data, and explain reports. They all need to deal with people in different departments, so communication skills are important. Third is data visualization skills. It is important to know data visualization methods and use effective data visualization to present other people who don't know what your point is. Number 4 is Python, which is a professional skills to help people doing data analysis. Number 5 is SQL, which is a database query and programming language for accessing data and querying, updating, and managing relational database system. Number 6 is business understand. It is necessary to have a deep understanding of the business and to be able to extract effective opinions based on data. Number 7 is professional certificate. For example, CFA, FRM, ACCA. From the next, there are 9 jobs require data analysis in financial service. Business intelligence analyst, data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, quantitative analyst, data analytic consultant, operations analyst, marketing analyst, project manager. From each position has a different mission, but they are all related to data analysis. Here are the average salary in those jobs. The highest paid job is business intelligence analyst with 95,000 per year. The lowest paid job is marketing analyst with 66,000 per year. Average salary in those jobs is 80,000 per year. These salaries are all for entry level job. If the position is higher, the salary may be relatively higher by 200 to 300%. Next is a global overview of the top industries. Let's look at the left picture of the LinkedIn data scientist profile. Financial service ranked 5th in the category with 6,500 employees, in total of 9,600 employees. 7% of people who choose to become a data analyst in the financial service field. For those who choose financial service as their professions, the overall demand is not very large. Probably because the barrier to entry is really high. Some of the job requirements are for people who is good at computers and good at financial modeling. Some job postings may also require certification in finance or funds. Some companies will also emphasize that the candidate needs to know a subject in addition other than finance and data analysis like chemistry, biology, or astronomy. That way, the fund company can use understanding in other subjects to make judgments about a company and the stock which they want to invest. Let's look at the right side. The United States is the country with the highest demand for data analysts. The total reached 48,000. The San Francisco Bay Area is the area with the highest demand for data analysts. The total reached 10,000. Followed by the New York area, the total should be reached 6,700. Although China also has a large number of data analysts, since LinkedIn does not have any usage rate in China, we can ignore it for now. The largest concentration of data analysts is around San Francisco and New York. One is that there are a lot of technology companies, and the other is that there are a lot of financial companies. Combined with the chart of industries, it can be seen that 60% of industries are related to those two types. The more tech and more financial companies there are, the more data analytic are needed. And then look at the chart with career paths of a data analytic in financial service. Here are 4 of the most common future directions. First is data analytic to senior financial analytic, and then financial manager, and then to become a CFO. For the second way, the data analyst become business analyst and become senior business analyst. The third way, data analyst become data scientist and become senior data scientist. The fourth way, data analyst become analytic manager and become director of analytic. A data analyst makes 75,000 a year. Salaries will increase at least 2 to 2.5 times for each higher position. Therefore, the future salary of financial data analyst is quite considerable. And here are the conclusion of my speech. A professional financial service data analytic need logical thinking, communication skills, data visualization skills. Professional skills include Python, SQL, professional certification, and business understanding. Due to the high barriers to enter the financial data analysts, a certain financial background and data analysts background are required. Many people do not know these two aspects. Therefore, wages are generally higher. The initial annual salary is about 80,000 US dollars. The country with the most data analysts in the world is the United States. Data analysts in the United States are concentrated in the San Francisco Bay Area and the New York area. The more companies there are, the more analysts they need. Data analysts have a variety of jobs in financial service, as well as various growth trajectories. Therefore, people will be able to find the most suitable job and the most suitable future development direction. Thank you for watching my speech.